Gym safety. This is really important to keep you safe, and it's really important to keep everyone else around you safe. I've made a list. So number one is don't leave weights and gym equipment on the floor. Gym equipment, it has its specific place to go, its own little home where it belongs. So the dumbbells and weights, they will have racks to go on. The kettlebells will have shelves to go on. The mats will have little hooks to hang on. Don't leave them around because they can be a trip hazard. For example, these are the clips that you put on the end of the barbells to keep your weights in place on the bar. If you step on this, you can roll your ankle. If you're carrying some weights to a different area and you step on this and you fall, that can lead to a really big injury. This is black. The floors in gyms are typically black. You might not see it. So these, put them back into their designated homes to keep you safe and everyone else safe. Number two, correct form. It's very easy when you're a new starter to just try out that bit of equipment and just try some stuff over there and not do it correctly. Remember, you have one body. Let's keep it safe. A really good place to learn that is either in gym induction days, where you're having a one-to-one conversation with a gym instructor who can show you an equipment, or go to gym classes, because in a gym class, an instructor will teach you how to perform each exercise safely. Proper warm-ups and proper cool-downs. Remember, it is not safe for you to start working out without warming your muscles up first. If you don't warm up first, you're going to strain your muscles, you're going to hurt yourself, and you're going to have months of recovery before you can get back into the gym again. Don't do that to yourself. And then also a good cool down. It is not healthy just to do an immediate stop after you've been running on a treadmill or lifting weights. Cool down. Take that time just to do a couple of stretches. Look after yourself. Broken equipment. So gyms are really good at maintaining equipment, usually. However, when you approach an item of equipment, you don't know if the person that's used it before you broke it. So just check over it. Make sure there's no frayed cables. Make sure that the seats are nice and secure. Make sure that there's no cracks on it. Just make sure that it's nice and safe, just in case. Another thing is checking your surroundings. So when you're working out, people are moving their arms around, they need some space. If you're doing kettlebell swings, you're going to be swinging a massive weight around. Just make sure that there's no one directly behind you before you start extending your arms and legs out. In addition to that, if you're walking around a gym, just have your eyes around you to make sure that you're not walking too close to people that are doing exercises. In addition to that, a lot of people wear headphones when they're walking around the gym. That can be really bad for isolating yourself, and it can reduce your awareness. So just make sure you are using your eyes, you're looking around to make sure that you are safe and everyone else is safe. So that's some tips there to keep you safe in the gym. If you have any more advice for anyone else, then please leave that in the comment section. Please like, please subscribe, and please share this content to help the gym community.